baby, you'd be drag racing your son. What's the difference? Horsepower.
We're building a 1950 Chevy pickup for her as her first car.
That's the best
So
part.
This is an original engine?
It's the original 383.
I was completely out of control.
I've never been down here.
I'm a moron. How do we get to be part of this? You know how to use the clutch, right?
No.
Well, that right there is the true muscle car experience.
How expensive is this going to be?
Like going back 50 years in time, putting old-fashioned, naturally aspirated engines to the max. Let's go break a few more laws. You didn't hear that. Definitely not legal.
That small bucket right there, baby.
I was about 110.
I'd get my ass kicked.
Now that's pretty quick for an old fart.
That's why they call a Camaro a vicious little animal that eats Mustangs.